Welcome to GearWings.com YouTube channel. In this video we see assembly of 8-liter hobbling pump. Required parts. The package includes hobbling 8-liter pump. It look like this from front side as you seeing here. It requires 4 screws and its screw locks. Stepwise assembling. Step 1. Place the pump under the tank. And tighten the screws. Step 2. Remove caps and insert pump holders. Step 3. Assemble XT60 connector. Insert rubber in XT60 connector. Step 4. Insert that rubber in frame. Step 5. Connect hub and pump wires. Last and final step. Connect the wires in FC and PDB as showing here. Gear up with GearWings.com. Visit our website and do subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.